Hello student, this is the class or this is the video I am making for the SY Special English students, paper number 3. The topic is the basic concept of literature, that whenever we are going to learn any topic, so before that we just try to understand it or try to clear the idea of the basic concept of literature. So basically when we talk about the student of science and student of architect, so that is very clearly reflected that what is the importance of such kind of student and such kind of people, that how they are useful for us. So the same way, if we talk and if we ask the same question for the student of literature, so at that time which can be the answer, or how can we give the answer such kind of question. So for that let's be just clear that before that what is the use of literature, we must have to clear the basic concept that the same difficult question, that is what is literature. So whenever we are just clearing the idea, then and then we can able to know the useness of that particular thing. So the first question, that what is literature. So basically there is a definition that anything that is written, it is literature. Now if we talk that for example the newspaper, catalog, brochures, so are they literature or not? So let's we just understand in clear way that there are two kinds of literature: literature in general sense and literature in serious sense. Now if we talk the first one, what is literature in general. So literature in general, it means the such kind of topic or such kind of thing which only gives us the information. For example, newspaper, then catalog, brochures, these all things consider as the literature to give the information. For example, if we have to buy anything, so at that time or before that we have to just try to find out the literature on that particular thing. If we have to buy the car, so before that we have just find out the concept or the literature about it, and then we can just got the information from such kind of literature. So one thing is that now why it is considered as a general literature, because it is there is no timelessness, there is no craftsmanship in such kind of literature, there is no originality, they are just giving the information, and perhaps after some days or after some time it is going to die. For example, after 1 day or 2 day the newspaper is useless, that we are not using or we are not going to read after 2 days the newspaper. Today's newspaper is died after 2 days. So that is there is no timelessness, there is no originality, and that's why it is just to give the information. So such kind of literature considered as a general literature. Now if we talk about the literature in serious sense, or so how can we define it. So when we talk about the serious literature, so at that time it is not only just to gives us the information, it is also gives us that how can we just express our ideas, emotions. So these all things are very important for the literature of serious sense. For example, it is not only the one time, but there is timelessness, there is craftsmanship. All these things are the we can also say that quality of literature, that how can we define a serious literature. So there is in such kind of literature, for timelessness is there, originality is there, craftsmanship is there, moral consciousness is there. So after all, the literature which is make the hope for the people, the literature which is refine the people, the literature that is harmonize the life of the people, and they are polishing their ideas, feelings, or particular their personality. So that is the role of serious literature. For example, if we talk about the genre of serious literature, so there are very different kind of literature. For example, poetry, novel, plays, story. So these are the different genres in which we can just find out such kind of serious literature, which is very useful for the human being to express their ideas, emotions, feelings. So such kind of literature consider as a serious literature. If we got some of the example, for example the plays of Shakespeare, yet after such years, right now we are also learning and we are studying such kind of play, for example Hamlet, Macbeth, King Lear. So there is a timelessness, and that's why it is considered under the column of the serious literature. So such kind of play now, the current form and the modern form which is very famous, that is the novel. That right now also we are learning or we are like to read such kind different novels. So that's why there is the timelessness. Right now also we are reading The Sense of an Ending, then current novel, the novels of Chetan Bhagat. So these all things are very useful for the human being, that they are polishing the ideas of the human being. They are after all try to enhance the skills of human being. They are make the human being better. So that is the main concept of the literature, that how literature is very useful. So there are different genres in which we can consider it as a serious literature. So there are many qualities in serious literature, as we have already discussed, that is timelessness, craftsmanship, originality. It is for the sake of the human being, or they are just try to refine the personality of the human being. So these are the different qualities of serious literature. So after all there are two kinds of literature: literature in general and literature in serious sense. So these two kinds of the basic concept about the literature, that when we are just going to know that what is literature. So the basic concept, that is these two things, that literature in general and literature in serious sense. So this is the basic concept of what is literature. Now in next video we are going to learn about the usefulness of the literature or the qualities of literature in detail. So thank you to all.